get started, we need to make sure this bump feed is lined up with the holes on the side here. And that's going to be really challenging because this one is worn out. But we'll look for a little indent on the side like here, and we'll line that up with the holes instead. So we've got lined up like that. We're going to take some .095 string line. This is the ugly twist string line, and this stuff is awesome. It lasts forever. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get it for yourself. So we're going to take our .095 string line, and we're going to thread it in through the hole. You're going to feel a little bit of resistance, and you need to push past that. And if you're not feeling resistance, pull the string line out, and if you can pull it out, you're not in the hole. And put it back in again until you get into the hole. If you can't pull it out, then you're ready to go. So we've got a little bit of resistance. We're going to push a little bit further past that to make sure it's secured. We'll give it a little tug. Yep, not coming out. Take the other string line, do the same thing. There we go, it's nice and secure. And now we can rewind the string line in. So for this model here, WS210, you hold the black bit still, and you turn this knob clockwise. Now, you may have a similar looking head, but you may have to turn this knob anti-clockwise, so just bear that in mind. This method may not work completely for you. So we're going to wind this in until you have 5 to 6 inches of string line sticking out, which we have there. Before starting up your string trim, we're going to test to make sure you actually restrung it correctly. Press in the bump and then pull on the string line. And if the string line comes out, then you know you did it right, like that. So we did it correctly. So we know that this is working, and that's how to restring the string line on a Craftsman string trimmer. If you want to find out how to remove the head from this Craftsman string trimmer, check out this video here next.